So here today we'll see how we can use edit and delete icon from Font Awesome with the help of ChatGPT. So first we need to type it here, like how to add Font Awesome in my Angular. To check, just click entered and it will show one or two ways like how we can use. First is so like we can add in angular.json file and use that icon, but I will use this one CDN link. We can copy it from here and we need to add it in our index.html file. So I have already added in my project, so I remove this and click on save. Here you can directly use it from here, just copy and we need to paste it in app component.html. So instead of select that edit and paste it here, it will show we have to add for edit. So we remove user and instead of user we give edit and save it. Let's check it in our student tab. It should be change for edit. Yeah, now it's looking good. And we will do similar for delete icon. So select delete and paste it here. And instead of user, we give trash for delete and save it. Let's check it. It should be a delete icon. Yeah, now it shows like this. Similarly, if we want add more Font Awesome icons, so let's search Font Awesome icons. Yeah, here we will get lots of icon. Whatever you want, you can add it from here. Like, let's try one icon to add. Like, yeah, we'll add this one image. Just you need to click on that, and it will show like this. You need to just copy that HTML part. Just copy it and go to your code, and let's check here. Just paste it, and it will show in your code. You have nothing to do, just like this only. It will show here. Yeah, that's it you need to do. We currently do not you need this, so we remove this from our code. Yeah, now it's look fine.